Hello students, in the previous lecture we have discussed about imidazole ring. Now today we will discuss a new ring, that is oxazole. Oxazole is a 5-membered cyclic compound composed of oxygen and nitrogen as heteroatom is oxazole. In oxazole, the oxygen and nitrogen atoms are separated by one carbon atom, as you can see in this structure. The first position contains oxygen and third position contain nitrogen in oxazole ring. Now how this is synthesized? Synthesis of oxazole. First of all, it is synthesized from alpha acyl amino carbonyl compound. Oxazole is prepared by refluxing alpha acyl amino carbonyl compound with acid or phosphorus pentoxide. This is the most common method to prepare oxazole, which involves cyclization and dehydration in the presence of phosphorus pentoxide or strong mineral acid. As you can see in this reaction, alpha acyl amino carbonyl compound on reaction with acid cyclized to form oxazole ring, and further on dehydration with the removal of water molecule they form 5-methyl 2-phenyl oxazole ring. In the second part of the synthesis, from ethyl alpha hydroxy ketosuccinate. Oxazole is also prepared by heating ethyl alpha hydroxy ketosuccinate with formamide followed by hydrolysis and decarboxylation. As you can see in this reaction, the ethyl alpha hydroxy ketosuccinate on reaction with formamide on heating with hydrolysis form diethyloxazole 4,5 dicarboxylate, and further on decarboxylation with barium hydroxide, water, pyridine and copper form oxazole ring. Now next part is chemical reaction of oxazole. Before we will discuss about physical properties. Oxazole is a liquid compound which have pyridine like odor and boils at 69 degrees centigrade, and oxazole is a weakly basic in nature. Now oxazole is an aromatic compound. It possesses 6 pi electrons. Oxazole exhibit little aromatic character due to incomplete delocalization of pi electron. First is electrophilic substitution. Oxazole undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. The preferred attack is at 5 position. These reactions occur more readily when the oxazole ring is activated by electron donating group. Now oxazole is most reactive with electrophiles. It is more reactive with electrophiles than thiazole, but it is less reactive with electrophiles than imidazole. As you can see in this reaction, oxazole 2-phenyl oxazole on bromination forms 5-bromo 2-phenyl oxazole. Next is the nucleophilic reactions of oxazole ring. Oxazole generally do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reactions. Oxazole ring cleaves frequently rather than substitution with nucleophilic reagents. Sometimes cleaved ring may be cyclized also. As you can see in this reaction, 2-methyl 4,5 diphenyl oxazole on heating with ammonia cleave to form a intermediate compound, which on further removal of water to form 2-methyl 4,5 diphenyl imidazole ring. Now next is reaction with oxidizing agent. Oxazole ring system is cleaved by oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate or chromic acid or ozone. However, it is stable with hydrogen peroxide. As you can see in this reaction, 2,4,5 triphenyl oxazole on oxidation forms 3 molecules of benzoic acid. Now next, reduction of oxazoles. Oxazoles are stable in presence of reducing agents. However, they can be reduced to oxazolidines with sodium in ethanol. Partially reduced oxazole, for example 2-oxazoline, 3-oxazoline and 4-oxazoline are called oxazolines. The fully saturated system is called oxazolidine. Now oxazole on reduction form 2-oxazoline, as you can see in this reaction. Next is Thys-Elder reactions of oxazole. Oxazole behaves as dienophils and forms adduct by undergoing Diels-Alder reaction with a diene or alkyne. As you can see in this reaction, oxazole ring with this alkyne compound with the removal of water form an adduct. It looks like pyridine adduct. Now next, photochemical reactions of oxazole. Oxazole ring is thermally stable, but oxazole derivative 2,5-diphenyloxazole when irradiated with UV forms a mixture of product. As you can see in this reaction, the 2,5-diphenyloxazole on radiation with UV light form 2,4-diphenyloxazole or benzoic acid. Now next is medicinal uses of oxazole. First is oxazole troxidone. First compound is troxidone or trimethadione. Chemically, troxidone is 3,5,5-trimethyloxazolidine 2,4-dione. Troxidone is used to treat absence seizures. As you can see the structure of troxidone in your screen. Now next is sulfamethoxazole. Chemically, sulfamethoxazole is N5-methyl-isoxazole 3-il-sulfanilamide. As you can see the structure of sulfamethoxazole in your screen. Sulfamethoxazole is usually given along with trimethoprim. The combination is antibactericidal or bacteriostatic against a wide range of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is used for the treatment of urinary, respiratory and gastrointestinal infections. Now last is cycloserine. Cycloserine is a broad-spectrum antibiotic. It possesses the following chemical structure. It can also be named as 4-amino-isoxazolidine 3-on. Cycloserine is used in the treatment of tuberculosis and urinary tract infections. Thank you.